Welcome to the in front of me TCL 30SE, and I'll show you how to turn off always on display feature on this device. So first you should go into the Movies Edge application, and after that click here on the settings section. Here you'll see the always on display, click here, and just to turn off always on display feature you should click here once again on this. I want to show you on the switcher, and now you can see that all of these options they are blocked, and that is why we can turn it off. So now we'll check it, and as you can see we already successfully turned off the AOD feature on our TCL device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.